Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and we have an unboxing today, all the way from America. I think the box is a little bit exaggerated for what's in there, but they have used it to protect what's in there. Okay. Zip the knife back. A box within a box. Gillette Facebook site. And we chatted via Messenger and got a little bit of a discount. Not normally something I'd go for, but it's one of them. Anyone want a plastic bag? Okay. So, these are brand new, NOS. So these are Schick Hydra Magic Razors. So I'm going to keep one as is. I think it'll be this one. And I will open this one. It comes with Christmas decorations, which is an unusual sort of novelty. Looks good. Well, they're the Christmas decks in there. Vintage Christmas decorations. Amazing. So I'm pretty sure my partner will enjoy checking them out. So, see if we can open this up without damaging. Is this possible? Yes. So there we have it. Now apparently these Hydromatics or Hydromagics, this lever here enabled the shield up here to lift up a bit, so to make it easy to put the blade in and also to clean, to rinse out. So I don't know too much about these besides that. So this will be one I'll give a shave with at some stage. And here's the injector blades, which I have to look up how to use. Should be in here. There's the instructions. Very interesting stuff. Beautiful. Fold it back up as I wanted. Okay. Hope you enjoyed that. And we'll see you soon. Ciao for now.